Wow.
Do you not like it?
It still has that kind of prom feel to it, and she's a grown-ass woman. So.
Wait.
Hey, what's up? It's Rick's World here. So I'm Shan Stylist. I'm working with her trying to change her image. So I set out a challenge to shop on 2 different sites, get a few outfits on the budget. That's the challenge, it's gotta be on the budget. And then I'm gonna go check up on her and style her with the stuff she got. So stay tuned and watch what we do.
So I am going to be looking for some outfits now. I've already kind of started looking for outfits. I'm really nervous because Ricky is very picky, and I just pray and hope that I choose good stuff. I'm trying to be adventurous, but at the same time kind of be true to myself, and I don't even know. But anyways guys, I'm going to be using shoptagr to actually sort my stuff out. I've been using shoptagr for a while. It's just always in my browser, so it's really easy just to use. And I actually just got a notification that popped up that says one of the items I really want to buy is actually running low in stock. So that's the good thing about it. So if you didn't know what shoptagr was, I'm about to show you. This literally helps you when you're trying to shop on a bloody budget. So here's my laptop, and like as you can tell, I have everything kind of there, and I have my lists. So we have shantaniabeckford and we have BOOHOO. Those are the 2 shops that I'm going to be using as the main focus point of this challenge. So yeah, what is shoptagr and how do you use it? Basically, I am on shantaniabeckford's website and I saw a really nice cute heart red bag that I really like. So I'm just going to be clicking the shoptagr icon on the top, and then I can literally save it, set the size, notify me when the price changes, and add it to my shantaniabeckford list. So basically I have 2 lists. I chose shoptagr and I chose BOOHOO, and I've saved them. And if I go to my shoptagr like page, you can actually see everything that I have saved, and I organize them. Shoptagr also notifies me when prices have changed, things are on sale, or when things are about to be sold out. They do this by email or by push notification, so that's like a really good feature about it. So yeah, it also will direct you back to the website, and then you can just press buy. Another cool thing is that you can actually share your shopping list with your friends, so that's a really cool feature. And also they have a page where you can actually see all the discount and coupon codes. So guys, please don't forget to download shoptagr on your browser and use it, because it really has helped me. So yeah, once that's done, you just click buy and then you're good to go. So shoptagr, as I said before, has like a next day delivery, has the options connected to the stores about next day delivery and all that type of stuff. So they should be here by tomorrow. Then Ricky will come through, we'll start everything, and I'm very nervous. Fingers crossed. I have a bad feeling about it. I feel like some of the stuff that I chose are a bit iffy. I don't know. What do you think? Oh my god. Okay, let's just get this over with.
Step up onto that. Man, I'm gonna get up onto that. Man, I'm gonna get up onto that. Man, I'm gonna get well stomp on that. Get up something. What you talking about? I tell you, man, I'll make up something for that.
So hey guys, how are you doing? So my clothes have come. I didn't realize that I didn't get that much. So literally Ricky has a job on his hands in terms of styling these, and I hope he actually likes them and he actually approves, because last time, yeah, him, Norton and Tareen dissed my dress sense. So I decided to change it all around and actually do some really cool pieces. So without further ado guys, let's get into this.
Hello.
What took you so long?
Oh, I didn't hear you.
Alright, so I did my very best.
Let's see what you got.
I'm actually quite nervous. Okay, first I went with BOOHOO.
Okay.
Because like everybody shops on BOOHOO. And then I got these. So I'm gonna show you guys a few of the stuff that I actually did choose. I got these big flare trousers.
I want to see how this is going to look. I think it's going to look nice on.
I just got a brown skirt, like a mustard skirt. Do you like it?
I think you went for the brown thin color.
Yeah, I went for really boring colours because I was a bit nervous. It's good to start with the boring colours and then experiment. And then I got this. Because you said to get loads of plain white tops, so I got 2 from BOOHOO. And then I got a cow skirt.
Wow. Wow. Okay.
What? What do you mean, wow? Do you not like it? Have I fucked up, Ricky?
I mean, it's fantastic.
What does fantastic mean? Fantastic?
I was trying to make
like
a moo sound. But, okay, interesting. Interesting.
Okay.
You got Carl Canny. Oh, the logo looks like Carl Canny, but it's not Carl Canny.
It just says woman.
Okay.
I bought big t-shirt. I don't know what I bought. Oh god, I feel really bad now. I really care about his opinion, and like obviously because
this is a challenge. Let's see how she done.
And I got another one that says woman.
So you got 2
I
tops
got
of the
black
same.
and white, so I didn't really know like.
So you got the same top in 2 colors.
Yeah. And then I got a baggy white shirt that you can tuck into something.
I like this.
So he likes the boring baggy white shirt.
Nah, it's not all about how it looks before you wear it. It's about the composition.
Okay. And then
Like an evening dress.
I don't know. I just bought it.
It's got potential.
It's like a big baggy ruffly dress, and it's silk or satin.
Okay. Cool.
I don't know. I felt like Morticia Adams family. Okay, and then I got this. I needed polka dots. You know you can actually not be silent. This is meant to be a fun video, Richard.
I'm just getting taken in, but what you got? Oh wow.
Do you not like it?
Okay.
No way. What's wrong with it?
We'll have to make do with what you've got.
No, but wait. Like, what's wrong with this?
It's cool, but
It looked nice on the model. Like, what's wrong with it?
it looks nice on the model.
Yeah.
Don't worry, guys. We'll work some magic. It's our first challenge, so you know she did okay. So let's see what she got.
And I got some bags.
See, I like the accessories. The accessories are nicer. Like this color, like for dark skin girls, these mustard colors that look good, and like burnt orange colors that look good on dark skin girls. So you kind of see the contrast in complexion. It kind of makes the dark skin stand out.
Okay, so and then I got a clear one. So this is all BOOHOO, and I also got slippers.
I like those.
But they're too big.
What size is that?
6.
What size are you?
5 or 6.
Oh, okay.
So
Well,
I needed a 5.
it's like a Jesus sandal anyway, so
Yeah.
still makes it work.
Okay. So next we have Nasty Gal. So drop that shit. So those are the other stuff, Ricky.
Yeah.
I'm a bit nervous because you don't like anything. I don't feel like you like anything.
I mean, it comes with a lollipop.
Nah, that was from a different time.
Oh, okay.
Never mind. I got a red hot bag. Then I got a leotard, a plain white one that has side boobage.
Pretty cool. What we got here?
Open it.
You know this silk stuff you get? Please tell me it's like an evening dress.
Yeah, I think so. It kind of contrasts with the other one that I got from BOOHOO.
Okay. The shape on this one, has it got a split in the middle?
Yeah.
Like stars. Okay. That's pretty cool. But what I want to try with you, like, I don't want to use this evening dress like for traditional evening dress. So we're gonna do something quirky with it.
Okay then.
Different.
Okay then.
You got a thing for polka dot, haven't you?
No, I've never worn them before, so I wanted to try it. And that's like, it's like
cool.
a trousers.
It's cool. It's got that, you know, like a retro feel to it.
I like vintage clothing.
Yeah, I like vintage too.
Then I bought jeans.
I got a feeling I fall in love with this one. See, now I like that.
You know the thing, yeah? Like, Guys, I'm gonna be honest with you, the one thing that I don't really like about like BOOHOO, this Guardy Pretty Little Thing, their jeans aren't stretchy. So literally you have to just be skinny, like they're not stretchy, so they don't really hug the ass or anything, especially if you're like a curvy girl. They don't stretch, so I have to buy...
Yeah, they're proper like classic denims. There's not much stretch in it.
No, but there's some classic denims that I buy and they actually do stretch and fit the body. I don't think these do. Like the normal jeans just don't.
The cut of them is nice though.
You'll see when I have it on.
Why? Does it make you look like you got ass?
No, I look like a box.
Listen, box girl need love too, okay?
Okay then. Okay then, Ricky.
Not necessarily for myself, but I'm just saying box girl need love too. Okay, I like the logo. The logo is pretty cool. I mean, that was a big statement. Wow.
What do you mean, wow? You do not like prints, do you?
You know what this reminds me of?
Race car.
I don't know, it looks like something from a Pulp Fiction. I could imagine you wearing like some like very colourful bob, weave, weave, whatever you call it, and like a proper silky colourful one, you know, knee-high boots, and kind of like almost like that.
Like I look like a prosy, to be honest.
Will you?
Yeah.
Well, sure you look like a good one anyway.
Yeah. Would you pay for it?
Pay for it.
Good dollar.
Friends and family discount.
You're terrible.
So I'm just gonna get her to try a few stuff. I really like these oversized pants. They're like that retro and they work well with platforms. So I'm gonna give her a challenge. So she gotta try it herself. She gotta put it, usually I put stuff on her, but today she's a big girl now, she can do it herself.
I need to put my brother.
Oh wow, okay, cool.
He does it bare quick.
I've got bad arm now, so I have to do it with 2 arms. So, a few items that I'm kind of like, because her complexion, her shading, it still has that kind of prom feel to it. And she's a grown-ass woman, so, but yeah, she could put it off. This is a different one. I mean, so now I'm gonna be showing you guys is what we came up with, and with the item that Shan collected by the challenge I set her, and then now you're gonna see how we put it together and how she looks. So we'll take it from there.